State Park, a beautiful park on top of Lookout Mountain in Georgia. A must-visit state park if you're up in the northwest part of Georgia. We have waterfalls, we have a catfish pond, we have hiking trails, we have all kinds of things to enjoy. Today I'm sitting here in this beautiful interpretive center that we have here at the park. You will want to visit this on your sightseeing of all the things to do in the park. I'm going to explain in a few minutes on how we're going to do an acorn necklace. So you can see I have some acorns here. These are not the ones we're going to use, but I just wanted to show you what is available and when an acorn comes in. Who can tell me about how an acorn appears? Correct! It comes from a mighty oak tree. Acorns are important to our wildlife, to the deer, to the woodpeckers, and the squirrels. An oak tree cannot begin until it's buried. So the squirrels take the acorns, they bury them, and they forget where they buried them. Then a mighty oak becomes a tree for more acorns to grow on. There are over 450 species of acorns. Only 13 species are in Canada. The rest are located in the southeast part of the United States. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to explain to you a craft that you can do at home, and you're going to need mom and dad to help because it does require some tools. The first thing that you need is marbles. The next thing you need is the acorn tops. Then you're going to need some string, some glue sticks, and then we have over here a glue gun. And then, of course, I love power tools. I have a drill. So after you've cleaned up your acorn top, what you're going to do is take the drill and you're going to drill in the acorn to get a hole. Once you've got your hole, you're then going to take your acorn and you're going to put your string through the two holes. Once you get your string through the two holes, and let's see, we got one like this. I'm going to measure my length just by sight. Then I'm going to put it underneath and I'm going to insert the next one. And this is where I have a little bit of trouble. So now I have the beginning parts of my acorn necklace. Now the next part is I've got to get my marble to stick inside of the acorn. So I'm going to go over here, pick up my glue gun, put my glue inside the glue gun, inside the acorn, excuse me. I'm then going to go pick out a lovely marble to place in my necklace. So see how pretty? Now this you're going to want to keep in the upward position for a few minutes to make sure that the glue has dried enough to hold the marble. You then take your two ends, you tie a little knot around them, and there you have your acorn necklace. Excuse me. These are great gifts for moms, for grandmothers, or just to have fun at a birthday party, an evening with hot dogs and hamburgers. This is a neat craft. Thank you so much for coming to see our chat about the acorns in Cloudland Canyon State Park. If you want to volunteer, we would love to have you as a volunteer. Thank you for this Cloudland chat. Have a great day.